Okay, welcome to another edition of Bobbie's Zone 5B Garden. Ooh, we got a big old dragonfly flying above my head, which makes me extremely happy. So, just to update, here is my squash. I put some marigolds that I had started out here also. Let me get close. Marigold, and then here go one that I got from the store. Look okay, whatever. It's my sunflowers growing back there. They're doing great. They're gonna bring me some pollinators. And that's my nasturtium. I got 3 in this bed. This is my melon bed. So as you see, I don't have much in there because I'm gonna be growing melons, which need a lot of room. Okay. And on this side is I guess you want to call it my nightshade bed because I got nightshades in here. Number 1 is my tomato. Good gosh, look at it. Look how big it is already. It's starting to flower, which is a no-no, so I gotta get all up in there and get those flowers off because they need to be bigger. And this is how well my petunia, look at that. Let me tell you, you gotta deadhead your petunias. You can't just let the dead flowers sit on there. Otherwise, it's just going to be a funky mess and you won't get any more flowers. It's these marigolds. I don't know exactly how to deadhead marigolds, so I was pinching the whole top off. I know there has to be another way, so I'm going to figure that out. Boy, bending down is like a no-no for me here with my knees. This is the pepper that I started in the basement. Look at that. Stuff flying around my head, and it's trying to have babies, and we're not having babies yet, so I gotta stop that. And these are all the millions of peppers that I had bought because I couldn't just buy 2. I had to get 4. This again is the pile of I have no idea, and I can't wait to see what this does. And this right here I know is a crimson red clover because how big these clovers are. So that's a leftover from last year. I don't know what this dude is. I can't wait to see. That's a better view of my peppers. I'll show you this other one. I dumped a bunch of onions over here by the tomato, and they're popping up beautifully. Here's another marigold that I stuck out here. We'll see what happens if it lives. This is another one that I started in the basement, and I thought it was gonna die, but it's doing okay so far. And I dumped some more marigolds in here. I'm trying to have marigolds everywhere. I'm trying to do good. There's marigolds in here and the nasturtium. Thank God the nasturtium is finally growing. Y'all, things keep touching me. I wait until the sun is all the way up over here because I want to make sure that no bitey bugs get me. This is my clematis, and in the clematis there's, like I said, there's my nasturtium. There's my shadow. My nasturtiums and my marigolds, and then I got a wayward sunflower here, if you can see it. And I'm gonna keep it in there. This is my bed with all my beans, my garlic. This is really just to show you how much everything is grown. There's my cabbage back there, and let's have a look. Where are these little tiny radishes? And I don't know what's gonna happen with that. But there's one in here that just got super murdered. How can I get? Look at that one. I'm gonna leave it and see if it make it. I doubt it though. Super murdered. And look at the survival bean. I mean, we don't even have to. Well, something bit it, but who cares? It's still doing great. I think that's all. It's not much in here. There's some carrots and some Walla Walla onions coming up. They're kind of small. So, anyway, that's that. This again is my Brassica bed. Look how big everything's growing. A lot of this stuff is too close together, so we'll see what happens. They'll probably just, I may be harvesting sooner, or they'll just push each other out the way, or they won't get that big. I don't know. But I put marigolds in here. Like I said, I'm trying to stick marigolds everywhere. And this is a Brussels sprout that got super beat down, but I sprayed some BT in here, and now everything is beautiful. That one was already getting beaten up like a lot. We'll see if it lives. It's a, Brussels sprout, and they bolt anyway, so. All right, so I got some, I have a nasturtium buried in here somewhere, and it ain't sprouting. And here's some carrots. I actually dug these carrots out of somewhere else. And you're not supposed to do that. I think these are carrots. Because there was other stuff growing in there too. I can't even tell if you can see it. Supposed to be anyway. We'll see if they live, because you're not supposed to transplant them. Alright. What else we got? And I'll put more onions out. Because I have 1,000 of those. You know that pack that comes with all the onion sets? That's what I got. This is kind of going to be... Actually, I'll come back to that. This is my blue bed. And nothing else, nothing's really happening here. Sunflowers. Because sunflowers are bosses. And they do what they do, baby. They grow. There's another marigold, and we'll see. There's another one. More. I started a bunch of them, and I'm just trying to put them everywhere because they're beneficial. So let's see how much they benefit me. There's my lavender. My lavender keeps going down, and then I come and I water it. This one anyway. It goes down, and then I water it, and it comes right back. This one is like no problem at all. And then I did like Liz. And I found something, and I put a little mushroom in there. To add whimsy, as she says. Here's some stray sunflowers, and you know what? I'm not going to kill them. There they are. Here's another stray. There it is. If it want to be there, that's where it's going to be at. Amen. I got stray sunflowers everywhere. This is where the stuff that's not supposed to be here is, and so we'll see how that works out. I have no idea. I had a squirrel digging here yesterday or last night, and it dug up some of my wildflowers. So I don't know what's going to happen over here. I think I'm going to have to hang wildflowers in a hanging basket, because every time I try to do wildflowers, they get dug up or screwed over or something. These are my strawberries. There's the one my boyfriend picked, and there's the one that I had growing in the basement that wouldn't do anything. I might come around and show them better. My grapevine going insane. Let's see if I can. This is a group of sunflowers. Let me get out of there. And I have to murder a couple of them or move them. I don't want to. I don't want to murder them. Now that's a better look at that strawberry. Oh, I'm telling y'all, there's stuff flying around my head. And I'm okay with the bugs, but I don't know what it is. Okay. And there's that other strawberry. This is my grapevine. Growing out of control. Thank goodness, though. I need that to happen. I keep standing up and bending down. I'm going to pass out. See what else did I not show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back this way. These are all the things that have been started. Finally got some nasturtiums coming up right here. Thank goodness. And so I'll put them out where I want nasturtiums to be. And these are my poor little trees that need to get repotted. I'm gonna have to just put them in a big planter because I can't finish up front yet because I need to cut some stuff down. That's a long story. That's my whatever pot patch. These are my morning glories, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with those in a second. But before I do that, oops, there's the watermelon growing real nice and pretty that Liz gave me. And this, here you go, Liz, check this out. I have leaf miners also on my broccoli, and I wanted to plant my broccoli in the Brassica bed, but I can't have this in there. So this one guy said to do this. He said what you can do, I mean, these things are tearing it up. You can squeeze the leaves and squash the things that's in there, eating them up. I don't know how well that's working. And then there's neem oil. It said use neem oil. I did feel, I squished the leaf and I could feel one of the things popping. It was pretty gross. And I'm waiting to get a spray bottle for my neem oil. So we'll see if that broccoli lives. Okay, so here's my pride and joy so far. This morning, I covered up that big old patch of grass. And I put a teepee right there because I'm gonna put that morning glory right there. Because my dear sweet neighbor was supposed to take this morning glory I planted for her, and she ain't taking it. And so I'm going to do it myself. And my dadgum boyfriend was having a fit about the big patch of grass. So I covered it up with a bunch of newspaper, cardboard, and then I put this teepee there. So it's grass underneath there, underneath. And we're gonna plant this probably either tonight or tomorrow morning. So, alrighty, that's pretty much it. And you see my garden from this side. It's very empty still, but stuff is growing. It's coming along, y'all. Alright, you guys have a great day. And that is it. Bye.